Lord, I want to serve you with all my heart. I really love you till the end of my life. I want to follow you and I just be walk with you. Just look unto Jesus and the maids of trial. Because I know if you believe in Him, Jesus always cares for you. With the joy of your heart, willing to give you the crown of my